How can I start making money online? To begin making money online, consider exploring freelancing opportunities, starting an e-commerce business, or participating in affiliate marketing programs. Are there legitimate ways to earn money from home? Yes, there are legitimate ways to earn money from home, such as remote work, online surveys, and freelance gigs. Be cautious of scams and verify the authenticity of opportunities. Can social media be a viable platform for making money? Absolutely. Social media platforms offer various opportunities for making money, including sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and creating and selling digital products. What are some effective strategies for passive income? Investing in stocks, real estate, or creating and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses are effective strategies for generating passive income. Is it possible to make money through blogging? Yes, blogging can be a profitable venture through methods such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling digital or physical products on your blog. How can I monetize my YouTube channel? Monetize your YouTube channel by joining the YouTube Partner Program, enabling ads on your videos, and exploring additional revenue streams like sponsored content and merchandise sales. Are there opportunities for making money through affiliate marketing? Yes, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. Join affiliate programs, share unique affiliate links, and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated. What are some low-cost business ideas to make money? Low-cost business ideas include starting a dropshipping store, offering freelance services, creating and selling digital products, or becoming an affiliate marketer with minimal upfront expenses. How can I make money through online tutoring? Make money through online tutoring by signing up on platforms like Chegg Tutors or Wisant, creating a profile highlighting your expertise, and connecting with students seeking tutoring in your subject areas. Can I make money through self-publishing books? Yes, self-publishing books on platforms like Amazon Kindle can be a lucrative venture. Write and format your book, create an eye-catching cover, and publish it to reach a global audience. What are some reliable ways to earn money through freelance writing? Reliable ways to earn money through freelance writing include creating a strong online portfolio, joining freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and actively pitching your services to potential clients. How can I make money through online courses? To make money through online courses, identify your expertise, create valuable content, and use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host and sell your courses to a broad audience. Is it possible to make money through virtual assistant services? Yes, offering virtual assistant services such as administrative tasks, social media management, or customer support can be a profitable online venture. Join freelancing platforms or market your services independently. Can I make money through stock market investments? Yes, making money through stock market investments is possible. Start by educating yourself, consider long-term investment strategies, and diversify your portfolio to manage risks effectively. How can I maximize earnings through online surveys? Maximize earnings through online surveys by signing up for reputable survey websites, being consistent in participating, and exploring additional opportunities like product testing and focus groups for higher rewards.